Welcome back to AUTO Zenith, where speed meets style and design meets desire. If you're passionate about supercars and cutting-edge automotive design, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the world's hottest automotive updates. Today, we're diving deep into a machine that truly defines aggressive luxury. It's the 2024 Lamborghini Urus Performante, but not just any version. This is the full carbon edition by TopCar Design, and it's an absolute visual and performance masterpiece. If you thought the Urus couldn't get any bolder, think again. Let's start with what makes this beast so special. The Lamborghini Urus has always been a standout in the SUV world. Blistering performance, bold design, and that unmistakable Lambo attitude. But when TopCar Design steps in, things go from wild to downright untamed. The 2024 Urus Performante Full Carbon by TopCar is essentially what happens when you give artists access to a super SUV and tell them, go crazy. TopCar is a high-end tuning company based in Russia, known for taking already premium vehicles and turning them into carbon fiber-clad monsters. For the Urus Performante, they've pushed their design language to the edge, covering nearly the entire vehicle in exposed forged carbon fiber. This isn't a wrap. This isn't a partial kit. We're talking full carbon body panels, front to back. Hood, bumpers, fenders, side skirts, mirrors, roof spoiler, diffuser, you name it. All in raw, forged carbon that looks like it's been chiseled out of the future. The forged carbon look gives the SUV a unique texture and shimmer underlight. It's not just a design choice. It also contributes to weight savings and increased rigidity. While Lamborghini's own Performante trim already comes with some carbon fiber bits, TopCar takes it to another level. It's more aggressive, more sculpted, and honestly more intimidating on the road. From the front, you'll immediately notice the sharper lines and massive carbon fiber intake surrounds. The hood itself is a new piece, vented and detailed in forged carbon. The aggressive theme continues along the sides with bulging carbon fenders that make the Urus look like it's flexing even while standing still. Around the back, a more pronounced diffuser and a race-inspired spoiler extension complete the look. TopCar didn't just stop at the exterior. Inside the cabin, there are custom touches as well. Alcantara, leather, and, you guessed it, more forged carbon fiber accents spread throughout the dashboard, door panels, and center console. Everything screams exclusivity. It's the kind of interior that feels like you're sitting inside a jet cockpit, but one built for the streets. Now, let's talk performance. The base Urus Performante comes with a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine pushing out 657 horsepower and 850 newton-meters of torque. It rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.3 seconds and has a top speed of 306 kilometers per hour. That's insane for an SUV of this size. TopCar doesn't modify the powertrain in this edition, and frankly, it doesn't need to. The Performante is already one of the fastest production SUVs on the planet. Instead, they focus on lightweight materials and improved aerodynamics to make the car feel even more precise and agile. Driving the full carbon Urus Performante is a truly surreal experience. It combines the brutal acceleration of a supercar with a commanding ride height and presence of a luxury SUV. Whether you're cruising in the city, tearing up a track, or just parking it in front of a hotel, it demands attention. Every surface reflects the meticulous craftsmanship and design intent that TopCar puts into their builds. Let's get into what it'll cost you to put one of these monsters in your garage. A standard Lamborghini Urus Performante starts at around $260,000 US. But the TopCar full carbon transformation is a whole other league. The complete body kit alone can add upwards of $70,000 to $100,000 depending on customization levels and market. With full exterior and interior treatment, including forged carbon parts, bespoke upholstery, and TopCar's exclusivity, you're looking at a total price range of around $350,000 to $400,000 US. And that's before taxes, shipping, or any local dealership markups. Is it expensive? Absolutely. But it's not just about price. It's about presence. This is for someone who doesn't just want to drive a Lamborghini, they want to drive the Lamborghini that turns heads at every stoplight. There are very few vehicles on the road that look anything like this. And that's the whole point. Now here's an interesting company update. TopCar Design continues to expand its global reach. They've been building a strong presence in Europe, the Middle East, and Asia, with a growing number of clients in North America as well. With their latest carbon creations, including the Urus, 992 Porsche Turbo S, and G-Class packages, they're setting the tone for ultra-luxury tuning in 2025. Each build is made in extremely limited numbers, often just a handful per year, and buyers can work directly with TopCar to tailor the design to their personal taste. It's this blend of craftsmanship, rarity, and visual impact that makes TopCar such a powerful name in the customization world. If you're someone who loves standing out in a crowd of already rare vehicles, the TopCar Lamborghini Urus Performante Full Carbon might just be the ultimate flex. It's fast, aggressive, luxurious, and absolutely dripping in carbon fiber. From the street to the showroom floor, there's really nothing else like it. And that wraps up our deep dive into one of the most jaw-dropping SUVs of the year. What do you think? Is this carbon beast worth the price tag? Would you pick this over the stock Urus Performante, or even a Bentley Bentayga Speed or Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow car lovers, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible automotive content. From hypercars to full carbon SUVs, we bring you the very best in design and performance from around the world. This is AUTO Zenith, driving tomorrow, today. Catch you in the next video.